Hello students, I hope you all are fine at home. So let's begin our biology class. Today we'll start the topic tissue. Before starting this topic, I will start from the word cells. You have listened this word cells. Cells, what are the cells? Cells are the basic unit of life. It is the smallest structure of the living body, and these smallest structures join together and they form the tissue, and tissues join together and form organs, and by the joining of few organs form the organ system, and few organs join together and they will form the organism. This is the way of organization in the living body. And our today's topic is tissue. So first of all we should know that what is tissue. So tissue is actually group of cells similar in structure and function. कि ऐसे cells का group है then which have the same function and having the similar structure, they are form the tissues in a living body. And according its types, tissues are of two types: plant tissue and animal tissue. Plant tissue is present in plant body and animal tissue is present in animal's body. So today's topic, firstly we will discuss the plant tissue. Plant tissue is of further two types: meristematic and permanent. Firstly, we start with the meristematic. Meristematic tissue is a type of tissue whose cells have the ability to divide continuously throughout their life, and they divide continuously till the life of the plant, and they are plant body. And where they are present for this function, they are present at the aryle part of the plant. Further, meristematic tissue is of two types: apical meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristem, the tissue which is present at the tips of root and stem, and they are responsible for the lengthwise growth of the plant, means for the growth of the plant from the earth to the top. And this is the another type, lateral meristem. This tissue is present under the bark of the stem, and this tissue is responsible for the growth of the plant in thickness wise, and it is also called cambium. So this is about the meristematic tissue. Now permanent tissue. Permanent tissue is actually it is formed by the meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue which stop dividing further and assume a proper shape position in a plant body, they will form the permanent tissue. It is of further two types: simple permanent tissue and they will form the permanent tissue. It is of further two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue is of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And complex permanent tissue is of further two types: xylem and phloem.